How to change your age on TikTok. Ignore this grandpa, go to your profile. You want to click on the three lines right here in the top right corner. Then we want to go to settings and privacy. From here, we want to scroll down until we see the option report a problem under support. Then you want to ignore this and just click on the pencil and paper in the top right corner. Again, you need to give them feedback, so click on the pencil and paper in the right corner again. And I have written a template here, which you can copy. So this is what your message should look like. Dear TikTok team, when creating my account, I chose the wrong age. I would like to change my age from what your current age on TikTok is to whatever you want your age to be. I can provide ID if necessary to confirm that I am in fact the number of years you claim to be years old. Kind regards, and then just write them your name down here. So basically that's all you need to do. It should take about 3 to 5 days for them to get back to you. So yeah, after you're done with this and you've written what you want to change your age to, you just click on submit and wait 5 days max until TikTok gets back to you. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope it helped you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.